Hi, my name is Carolyn. What you're looking at is my portable TV in my guest bedroom. I got rid of cable about 3 weeks ago, and I've been trying to figure out a way to get Roku on an old analog TV. Everybody said it could not be done. But they make several different kinds of adapters for different kinds of TV and different kinds of cable. I started thinking, if there was an RF modulator, why couldn't I hook my RF modulator up to an HDMI RCA adapter converter box? Presto, that's exactly what I did. So you see my Roku is on here, and just to prove that it's just not a picture, you can hear that, that's my little thing. That's Hulu, and it's going to Hulu. So to show you how I did this, I'm just going to go around the side of the TV. There is my RF modulator by RCA. These are the RCA cables, and they are yellow, red, and white. There's a little power cord. My coax cable, which goes from there to the back of the TV. The input on the RCA cables comes from my HDMI to RCA cable adapter. It is also powered by electricity, and there you can see my Roku stick. So that's how you can change an old analog TV that doesn't have any USB or HDMI ports to a smart TV. They said it couldn't be done, and here's proof that it can. Thank you for watching, and best of luck to all of you. By the way, this HDMI port only has one HDMI port here, and these are RCA cables. They come with either the RF modulator or the HDMI to RCA cables. I couldn't remember which one. But you can find either one of these things on eBay or Amazon. I paid approximately $7 for the HDMI box, the little adapter, and about $12 or $13 for the RCA modulator. Thanks for watching, and good luck to all of you.